one of the mini Jets injured last year. Down for Kyle Connor. Back for Enstrom for Laine. Laine, the wrist shot, scores! Patrick Laine has his first NHL goal. Comes on a power play and pulls the Jets to within one.
Everybody can breathe. That's all it takes with a guy like this. That one shot, and there it is. That is a unique talent, and he has an absolute cannon. This is what you call a wrister.
And there's a happy family.
And probably a happy 18-year-old is some relief. Expected to score goals. That's exactly what he does. Some good work by Connor to keep this alive. And it's going to come to Laine. Just the wrist shot. Great screen by Stafford in front. And Patrick Laine has his first NHL goal.
Well, he's brought the MTS Center to its feet. Icing call here against the Carolina Hurricanes. The Jets to within one with 6:21 to go.
That's a big goal for this team, and it's a big goal for Laine. These players need to feel that puck going in the back of the net. Not just a perfect shot, but a great job by Drew Stafford in front. Cam Ward had no chance to see that puck.